Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today I am going to discuss reported speech. What is reported speech actually? Reported speech is nothing but indirect speech. What is the meaning of reported speech? Reported is nothing but spoken. Okay. And speech is nothing but words, spoken words. The actual words of the speaker is direct speech. Without changing the actual words, someone told the words, that is called as reported speech. Now here we are going to discuss reported speech, and in this I am going to discuss some rules and regulations first. Afterwards I will discuss these answers. While changing into reported speech, we have to keep concentration on four types of sentences, that is assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences and exclamatory sentences. What is assertive sentence actually? Assertives are assertive, declarative is nothing but a simple statement, a quotation or any simple statement, simple sentences will be called as assertive sentences. Okay, next one, interrogative. Interrogative means questioning, okay, seeking the information. And third one is imperative sentences, giving the order, request, command, wish, desire, expressing all these things come under imperative sentences. And the last one is exclamatory sentences, which is used to show some certain feelings, that is called as exclamatory sentences. In assertive sentences, we have to remember that when in direct speech said or said to will be there, we have to change that into said that or told that. Told him that, means immediately after told that cannot be used. Okay, and told, especially said it to means here told we have to use in a reported speech. And one more thing also here, conjunction that is compulsory we have to use in the assertive sentences and exclamatory sentences. In interrogative sentences, the question will start with the auxiliary verb will, do, okay, and questioning, WH questions, all WH questions, where, what, who, why, whom, like this here, WH questions will be started. So at that time we have to write if or whether can be used with the WH questions once again. Okay, next in imperative sentences, command, request, order I said no. In that we have to write 2 plus V1. He requested to, he ordered to, he told him to, do so and so, go to, come to, like this here 2 plus infinitive will be used. Okay, in exclamatory sentences, expressed joyfully, happily, that can be used in the reported speech in exclamatory sentences. Okay, ma'am. Now come to the question. First question, his mother told him not to play with matches. To play, 2 plus V1 is there here. So this is an imperative sentences. Don't play with matches. So mother said to him not to play with the matches. He said that he had forgotten to bring his lunch with him. Now here he had forgotten. Had forgotten is used here. Means here the question is in the present perfect. Then here past perfect is used. Okay, and children, we have to remember while changing into reported speech, tense formations also will change changes. That is simple present to simple past, present continuous to past continuous, and simple past and past present perfect will changes to past perfect. First person will changes to third person, and we have to remove the inverted commas or quotations. Okay. So here he said that he had forgotten to bring his lunch with him. So said that is used. So this is a simple present perfect. So it is the assertive sentence. She asked her husband if he would be home soon. Means here he would be home soon means whether he will come home soon, quickly. So this is an interrogative question. So that's why here if is used here. Father told the children to go to bed. Here also to come. Okay. So this is imperative sentence. Tom told his father that he would clean the car the following day. Tomorrow is given in the question paper, the following day. Okay, ma'am. Tom told his father that he would. Would is there in the question answer. Here in the question, I will clean the car tomorrow is there. So here this will becomes would. Gary asked his wife where she had been. So here she had been. Past perfect is there. So in the question, where have you been is there in the question paper. So present perfect, past perfect. She asked me if I knew Garfield. Do you know? Is there. So it is again interrogative question. She asked how she should tell Tom the bad news. How she should, how can, how shall I. Okay, all these sentence formations will changes to simple past. He said that I had to try his homemade wine. Here you must try is there. Must will become had in the reported speech. He asked if he could go home then. So here this once again this is a interrogative question. So that's why here if is used here. Okay ma. So this is the reported speech for us. You have to keep all these things. Reported speeches and assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamative. All these four types of sentences you have to keep in your mind while changing into reported speech. Okay, so with this our session is completed. We will meet again with another session. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.